Welcome back everybody, it's your friend David at Riverside Hyundai. Today we're going to be checking out the EV settings on the brand new 2026 Ioniq 9. To access your EV settings, scroll to the left, Setup, EV tab. This is where you have your battery conditioning. This is meant for snowy condition, cold temperatures. This will adjust the battery temperature to maintain optimal fast charging performance. Features enabled when setting a fast charging station as a destination or stop, or can be enabled manually. Driving range may be affected. That's how you access the battery conditioning. Under utility mode, so this is meant for if you're going to be stationing yourself in the car for a while, etc., like camping. If you plan to go camping, you could be in the car using your electronics. While you have it in utility mode, you cannot drive the vehicle. Smart regeneration braking. This is how you turn it on and off. So it's set standard to level 2. So this integrates with your smart cruise control settings. So when you're coasting, your smart regeneration braking will turn on. And level 1, if you want to tailgate a car, level 2 is the safest 3 car lengths. So it'll use your brakes and your ACC to give the whole car power back. You have up to 3 levels, 3 being the furthest distance. This is where you change your charging started voice alert. Right now it's set to medium. You can hear it from the outside. This is when you plug your car in. It'll say now charging. If you don't like that sound, you could go ahead and turn it off. Right now we have it set to medium. We like to hear that our car is charging. Last but not least is a plug and charge. This is available only for through service areas. So the plug and charge, that means you have to have a membership to go to a place. You just plug your car in and you pay their monthly fee. Thank you guys for watching. Drop your comments below. We'll see you soon.